In this video, we're going to give you a demonstration of the ink and stain remover product from the Leather Repair Company. We have this panel to show you three different situations. The first one, this is colour loss, and the area that's darker around that central stripe is not a stain. It is actually colour that has been removed from the surface. This, what looks like white staining, again is colour loss, and you can clearly and visually see around the outside there is a slight difference in shade. As you can see by looking around this outside area, there is a slight variation in colour. That is not a stain, that is the clear coat lacquer that has been removed. Again, this area, which looks like a stain, is not a stain. This is actually colour loss that we have on the surface, and you can clearly see the three. This one is very faint on the bottom. Then we have in the centre, this is dirt. This product is not a leather cleaner. It is not designed to be cleaning off the surface. What it is designed to be doing is removing ink that sits on the surface. There are many ways you can do that. You can use a cotton bud and gently wipe over the surface of the stain to remove the ink, using the opposite end to soak up. Or you can use a bamboo cloth and a bamboo fibre pad to gently rub over the surface. Let's give you a demonstration of how that works. So let's show you a demonstration with the ink and stain remover for what its intended purpose is, which is for removing ink that sits on the surface. I'm going to get a small amount on my pad, and then I'm going to gently rub over the surface on the hope that it does remove the ink. It may take a lot of work to do this, it may not, but the process is to very, very gently wipe over the surface and slowly, as you can see, breaking down the ink that sits on the surface. We don't want to be applying a lot of pressure. The purpose of this is to very gently wipe over the surface to remove your ink stain. So let's remove the next section. As you can see, we've got a tiny bit, very tiny amount of ink that's left on the surface, which we could probably work at slowly to remove that. And again, you can see that slowly removing the ink that's on the surface. We're not applying a great deal of pressure. The purpose of the ink and stain remover is to slowly reduce down the ink stain without being too aggressive. And that is the purpose and the key to the success. We're slowly working over the surface. We can get the cloth and just give that a slight wipe away so that we can remove the solution that sat there to give us more go on the surface. The purpose of this is in some cases, it's not going to eliminate the ink stain completely, but what it will do is reduce its visual effect on the surface of your leather item. And that is exactly what we've achieved here with both of these ink stains. This one is virtually gone, and this one we have reduced it visibly considerably. So we hope this video has given you a really good visual of what the product is designed for. LRC19 is not designed to clean leather with items like this. It is not designed to clean items like this, where you've got a slight bit of staining in the centre here, and colour loss. What it is designed to do is to visually reduce down the marks of ink or biro on the surface of your leather item. There is no rock solid guarantee that it will remove this in its entirety. But the thing is, it does remove it visually so that it cannot be seen instantly by somebody looking at your leather item. We hope you found the video interesting and of use. Thank you very much. LeatherRepairCompany.com.